Yo, dude, I think I'm gonna get the haylou GT1 Plus. They have that new chip thing, and I think they're pretty good. No, dude, wait. Don't buy the haylou GT1 Plus. There's this brand new pair of headphones that's supposed to be so much better, man. I just watched a review. Hold on. Dude, the tronsmart Spunky Beats are the cheap, true wireless headphones to get. Are you a noob? The tronsmart Spunky Beats, dude, they suck. What you want to get is the mpow M5s. Their microphone is amazing. Actually, you guys are all wrong. The best Bluetooth headphones with the Qualcomm 3020 chip are actually the BLITZWOLF FYE8. Yeah, trust me, bro. For fuck's sake, guys, can't you just make up your mind? The Qualcomm 3020 chip is becoming the great equalizer among budget, truly wireless headphones. And the best pair of Qualcomm 3020 chipset headphones I have tested to date is this pair of headphones. We're gonna preview them today, and I'll have something about this up on my website with more detailed pictures if you guys wanna check it out. Now, in full disclosure, Banggood sent these out to me. It's also worth noting that Banggood does have the cheapest price, and they ship these to me in a week, which during a global pandemic, it is absolutely incredible that their logistics department was able to get to these to me in Vietnam so quickly, as I've had to wait a month for most other vendors to get products to me. So if you guys are looking to pick these up, I can't help but suggest Banggood just based on my experience that I've had with them. Now, these headphones, their one kind of standout feature that they're trying to sell you on is the fact that they have dual drivers. And dual drivers means that they can do a lot with the sound in regards to giving you a more defined sound. And just off of listening to these now for like 2 days, I think these might top the best sounding truly wireless headphones I have ever used. Better than the mpow 05 Plus, better than the JBs, and these are under $40. When you combine that with the fact that I used these yesterday basically nonstop, not always connected, but listening to podcasts, music at a lower volume for upwards of 4 hours. And these headphones had 80% battery life. Now, they're advertised at having generously 5 hours of battery life. In my testing, you could probably squeeze out 6 to 7 hours of battery life with these if you're listening to them at a lower volume or just like a comfortable volume for a quiet environment. Another thing I'd like to note on these is from my experience using these, the microphone sounds awesome. Just from like my initial impressions and my initial hands-on, these have a directional mic at the bottom of the stem, and it allows the microphone to get really, really good directional sound combined with CVC 8.0, and it seems like these might be some of the better microphone headphones you can buy at this point in time. It is worth noting though that the case is still micro USB. We have some case indicator lights up here that give us an indication of the charge status of both of these headphones, as well as the charge status of the case. So when both of these headphones are charging, you will see this light up. When they stop charging, the lights will turn off. And you have 4 bars to show you how much battery life the case has. It is a smart case, and when you open the lid up, they begin to pair with your device automatically. They have been pairing to my Redmi K20 Pro extremely fast. I was having issues with the Bluetooth connection for them. I reset them, and I will be doing a video about how to reset them, and since then, the Bluetooth issues I've had with them staying connected to the phone, dropouts have completely gone away. After listening to them for my entire headphone testing playlist, I was blown away. I took them home and I used them, and then I outfitted them with some Comply style KZ ear tips to hold them in my ears a little bit better and isolate me from my background environment better. And one of the really rare things that I've had with these headphones is that with their charging case, the charging case still allows the headphones to be used with these aftermarket tips, which is something that I haven't had with a lot of other headphones. So off this initial impression, sound quality, ergonomics, battery life, microphone. Everything about these headphones has blown away every other pair of headphones I've used up to this point. The only thing that might be a downside for some of you guys is the ear stem design. I like it. It makes them easy to put in and out of my ears. It gives them a better microphone, and they have really good battery life. Also, fitting 2 headphone drivers into a earbud like this is not going to be the easiest thing in the world to do. The fact that they're able to do this, give me all of these other benefits, makes me call the BLITZWOLF FYE8 an absolute standout pair of headphones that is better than the competition. That's gonna wrap up this initial impressions video. If you guys wanna see more about them, check out my website. If you wanna buy these, I'll have links in the description down below. I will be doing a full and thorough review. I will be comparing these versus the TRONSMART Spunky Beats, versus the haylou GT1 Plus, versus the mpow. I'm gonna be doing a complete roundup with all of them to let you guys know what about this specific pair of headphones makes them stand out from the rest of the crowd in a more kind of condensed manner. And until next time, guys, stay inside. Peace.